High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it usually has no noticeable symptoms until it causes serious health issues like a heart attack or stroke. Many people are unaware that they have high blood pressure, which can silently damage their organs over time. While medication is often used, many people prefer natural remedies to help control their blood pressure. Here are 10 of the best natural remedies for high blood pressure, both systolic and diastolic, and the science behind their effectiveness. And stay tuned until the end for an herbal blood pressure lowering tea blend you'll want to drink to keep your blood pressure in check. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is great for the cardiovascular system, particularly in lowering blood pressure. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. It is one of the fastest-acting herbs for quickly lowering your blood pressure. For best results, eat raw garlic, lightly sautéed, or take the supplements. The allicin in garlic also helps produce nitric oxide, which further helps to dilate blood vessels. Number 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect the blood vessels. These compounds act as natural ACE inhibitors, which is similar to the action of some blood pressure medications. ACE inhibitors help relax blood vessels and reduce blood volume, leading to lower blood pressure. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, reduces inflammation and improves the lining of the blood vessels, which helps regulate blood pressure. Omega-3s also help lower levels of triglycerides and increase the good HDL cholesterol, contributing to better heart health. Number 4. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10. CoQ10 is an antioxidant naturally present in the body and is important in the body's energy production and cardiovascular health. It's also found in many foods like organ meats, oily fish, fruits, and nuts. CoQ10 supplementation can help lower blood pressure by reducing oxidative stress. CoQ10 also helps dilate blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Number 5. Potassium-rich foods. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance sodium levels in the body. High sodium levels can lead to water retention and increased blood pressure, but potassium helps counteract this effect. Foods rich in potassium such as bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes, and avocados can help lower blood pressure by encouraging the excretion of sodium through urine and relaxing the blood vessels. Number 6. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is another essential mineral that plays a key role in blood pressure regulation. It helps relax blood vessels and reduces blood pressure. Magnesium also assists in regulating other minerals, such as calcium and potassium, which are important for cardiovascular health. Foods high in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Number 7. Hawthorn berry. Hawthorn berry is traditionally used for heart-related conditions, including high blood pressure. It contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. Hawthorn extract is also a mild diuretic, which reduces fluid buildup and lowers blood pressure. Number 8. Olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract is rich in polyphenols, particularly oleuropein, which is antihypertensive. These compounds help improve blood vessel elasticity and reduce inflammation, both of which contribute to lower blood pressure. Olive leaf extract also has antioxidants that protect blood vessels from damage. Number 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a delicious and healthy spice that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. It's anti-inflammatory and improves insulin sensitivity, which is helpful for people with hypertension and diabetes. Cinnamon is a heart-healthy addition to any diet. Number 10. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. The alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, in flaxseed helps reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. The high fiber content reduces cholesterol levels, which also helps regulate blood pressure. A holistic approach, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol, is the most effective way to manage high blood pressure and promote overall cardiovascular health. Studies conducted with all 10 of these natural remedies offer promising options for those that want to manage their blood pressure naturally. And here's the herbal blood pressure lowering tea I promised you. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dried hibiscus petals, 1 teaspoon dried hawthorn berries, 1 teaspoon dried olive leaf, half of a teaspoon of dried lavender flowers, which is optional for flavor and relaxation, half a teaspoon of dried lemon balm, which is also optional for calming effects, honey or lemon, optional for taste. Instructions: 1. Mix the dried herbs together in a bowl. You can store any extra blend in an airtight container for future use. 2. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 3. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of the herbal blend in a teapot or tea infuser. Pour the boiling water over the herbs and let them steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Strain the tea into a cup. Add honey or lemon if desired. 5. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day, preferably in the evening, to help relax and support healthy blood pressure levels. For more natural healthcare tips and remedies, watch this video next.